Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which river flows through the Rhône Valley and is known for its wine production? Is it A. Seine, B. Loire, or C. Rhône? It is C. Rhône. What are amino acids? Is it A. building blocks, B. sugars, or C. fats? It is A. building blocks. In which year did humans first land on the moon? Is it A. 1965, B. 1972, or C. 1969? It is C. 1969. What is the most famous structure located at Chichen Itza? Is it A. Colosseum, B. El Castillo, or C. Great Wall? It is B. El Castillo. What type of gemstone is jade primarily known as? Is it A. sapphire, B. diamond, or C. greenstone? It is C. greenstone. What Greek mythological figure is known for holding the heavens on his shoulders? Is it A. Zeus, B. Hades, or C. Atlas? It is C. Atlas. Which countries have coastlines along the North Sea? Is it A. Portugal, Turkey, France, B. Spain, Italy, Greece, or C. Norway, Denmark, Netherlands? It is C. Norway, Denmark, Netherlands. What is the best hand possible in Texas Hold'em poker? Is it A. full house, B. royal flush, or C. straight? It is B. royal flush. Which river is known as the primary water source for the Indus Valley civilization? Is it A. Ganges River, B. Nile River, or C. Indus River? It is C. Indus River. Which large Canadian lake was named after Samuel de Champlain? Is it A. Lake Champlain, B. Lake Ontario, or C. Lake Superior? It is A. Lake Champlain. What is DoorDash? Is it A. delivery service, B. restaurant, or C. grocery store? It is A. delivery service. Which actor played the lead role of Maximus in the film Gladiator? Is it A. Joaquin Phoenix, B. Russell Crowe, or C. Ridley Scott? It is B. Russell Crowe. What type of sauce is picante known for being? Is it A. hot sauce, B. barbecue sauce, or C. salad dressing? It is A. hot sauce. What was the main outcome of the Treaty of Sèvres in 1920 regarding the Ottoman Empire? Is it A. partitioned territories, B. new currency, or C. unification with Greece? It is A. partitioned territories. What is the primary function of echolocation in animals? Is it A. food digestion, B. location identification, or C. sleep regulation? It is B. location identification. What is the main characteristic of a binomial distribution? Is it A. continuous data, B. two outcomes, or C. single variable? It is B. two outcomes. What is a characteristic feature of a savanna ecosystem? Is it A. dense rainforest, B. grassland with scattered trees, or C. tundra landscape? It is B. grassland with scattered trees. What is the primary sense sharks use to detect prey in the water? Is it A. smell, B. sight, or C. hearing? It is A. smell. Which nation won the Rugby World Cup in 2019? Is it A. New Zealand, B. South Africa, or C. England? It is B. South Africa. In which year was the board game Trivial Pursuit first published? Is it A. 1981, B. 1990, or C. 1975? It is A. 1981. Who is Galactus? Is it A. Planet Eater, B. Marvel Superhero, or C. Alien Overlord? It is A. Planet Eater. What was the primary goal of the Cuban Revolution led by Fidel Castro? Is it A. Promote tourism, B. Establish democracy, or C. Overthrow Batista? It is C. Overthrow Batista. What is the primary color of a flamingo's feathers? Is it A. Pink, B. Blue, or C. Green? It is A. Pink. What is the capital city of Jordan? Is it A. Irbid, B. Aqaba, or C. Amman? It is C. Amman. Which environmental organization is known for its work in global conservation and sustainable development, often represented by a panda logo? Is it A. WWF, B. Greenpeace, or C. Sierra Club? It is A. WWF. Which fashion brand was founded by Virgil Abloh? Is it A. Off-White, B. Supreme, or C. Balenciaga? It is A. Off-White. What is the capital of Mexico? Is it A. Guadalajara, B. Mexico City, or C. Tijuana? It is B. Mexico City. Which album by Taylor Swift features the hit song Shake It Off? Is it A. Reputation, B. Red, or C. 1989? It is C. 1989. What disease did Robert Koch identify as the causative agent using his bacteriological research? Is it A. Malaria, B. Tuberculosis, or C. Smallpox? It is B. Tuberculosis. Which organization did Mother Teresa found that supports the poor and sick? Is it A. Red Cross, B. Missionaries of Charity, or C. Salvation Army? It is B. Missionaries of Charity. Which iconic guitar technique is Jimi Hendrix famously known for developing? Is it A. Tapping, B. Feedback, or C. Strumming? It is B. Feedback. In which city is the Fiesta de San Isidro primarily celebrated? Is it A. Barcelona, B. Madrid, or C. Seville? It is B. Madrid. What is the primary habitat where starfish are commonly found? Is it A. Freshwater lakes, B. Ocean floor, or C. Desert sand? It is B. Ocean floor. Which painting is Caravaggio famous for that depicts a scene of the calling of St. Matthew? Is it A. The calling of St. Matthew, B. The Last Supper, or C. The birth of Venus? It is A. The calling of St. Matthew. Who is the president of Russia? Is it A. Vladimir Putin, B. Joe Biden, or C. Angela Merkel? It is A. Vladimir Putin. What unique feature is the narwhal known for? Is it A. Bright colors, B. Spiral tusk, or C. Long fins? It is B. Spiral tusk. What is one primary function of zinc in the human body? Is it A. Bone density, B. Immune function, or C. Blood sugar? It is B. Immune function. What type of instrument is a kalimba? Is it A. Wind instrument, B. String instrument, or C. Thumb piano? It is C. Thumb piano. What achievement is Roddy Ricch known for with his song The Box? Is it A. Best-selling album of the year, B. Grammy Award for Best New Artist, or C. Billboard Hot 100 #1? It is C. Billboard Hot 100 #1. Which iconic structure in Paris is known for its iron lattice design? Is it A. Great Wall, B. Colosseum, or C. Eiffel Tower? It is C. Eiffel Tower. Libya, Tripoli, capital city, North Africa. Is it A. Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, B. The Great Gatsby, or C. Moby Dick? It is A. Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Who is credited with formulating the theory of evolution by natural selection? Is it A. Charles Darwin, B. Gregor Mendel, or C. Albert Einstein? It is A. Charles Darwin. What type of products is Miu Miu primarily known for producing? Is it A. Electronics, B. Home decor, or C. Fashion apparel? It is C. Fashion apparel. What iconic structure is located in Sydney and is known for its unique sail-like design? Is it A. Sydney Opera House, B. Sydney Tower, or C. Harbour Bridge? It is A. Sydney Opera House. What fundamental role do bosons play in the standard model of particle physics? Is it A. Force carriers, B. Matter constituents, or C. Antimatter particles? It is A. Force carriers. What is the Han Dynasty primarily known for in Chinese history? Is it A. The Ming Reforms, B. The Great Wall, or C. The Silk Road? It is C. The Silk Road. Which product category is Dell primarily known for? Is it A. Televisions, B. Computers, or C. Smartphones? It is B. Computers. Which genre of music is Ella Fitzgerald most famous for? Is it A. Rock, B. Jazz, or C. Classical? It is B. Jazz. What is the capital city of Finland? Is it A. Oslo, B. Helsinki, or C. Stockholm? It is B. Helsinki. What desert covers much of Botswana and Namibia? Is it A. Mojave Desert, B. Kalahari Desert, or C. Gobi Desert? It is B. Kalahari Desert. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.